Here's a quick demonstration of this 16-ounce paint tin candle mock-up. If you close all the folders down, this is what you should see at a high level. You've got the tin label and the tin itself there, the shadow, and here's the background which you can toggle off and replace, and here's the bit with the design in. So let's double click this smart object to start with to get the design on. And there you go, I've just created one there, but if you want to put your own one on, all you need to do is go File, Place Embedded, and then navigate to wherever you keep your artwork. And then you shape it, size it, put it wherever you want. Turn off my one with the eye to toggle there. And once you're happy with everything, just say yes there. There you go, there's your design on there. Do that again. File, Place Embedded, locate your design, place it on there. Let's just go back to the original eye. Say yes. There you go, there's your design on there. There are some things you can do with the label. You can change the amount of blur by clicking this Gaussian blur here. If you open up the label folder, double click Gaussian blur, you can make the label matte or gloss. Turn the lid off. That's in the tin with side lid. If you want to replace the background, toggle that one off, and in the same way you did with design, go File, Place Embedded, and then wherever you keep your backgrounds, find a suitable one and place it on there. Or you can go with a solid colour. I think that pretty much covers everything. If you've got any questions, give me a shout.